to the Commerce Positivity lecture. In today's lecture, we will be totally discussing about the importance and the process of organizing. So, let's start with the importance of organizing without delay. Well, organizing is one of the most important functions of the management. The process of organizing helps an individual to develop clear pictures of a task he or she is expected to complete. It supports planning and control activities by establishing accountability and an appropriated line of authority. So, the first importance of organizing here we have is that effective administration. Yes, of course, organizing is the mechanism by which management directs, control, and coordinates the various activities in the enterprises. A sound organizations define authority and responsibility relationship clearly. Okay, it facilitates day-to-day administrations by creating an orderly network of job, session, and other working units. Similarly, another important here we have is the specializations in work. Yes, specializations in work. Organizing function is concerned with dividing and setting or assigning work to manager, subordinates, and worker as per their skill, experience, and knowledge. The right job is assigned to the right persons at the time with the help of effective organizing. It led the organizations toward specializations. Define authority and responsibility relations is another importance of organizing. Yes, of course, define authority and responsibility relations. The organizing functions create sound organizational structure. A sound organizational structures mainly define and clarify authorities and responsibilities relationship among managers and subordinates. It supports planning and control activities by establishing accountability and an appropriated line of authority. Optimum utilizations of human resources is another importance of organizing. Sound organization ensure right people are placed in the right job. Such matching of a job and people's help an organizations to make effective use of a human talents and efforts. It helps to avoid conflicts and duplications of work within an organization. Similarly, another importance of organizing here we have is growth and diversifications. An organization is concerned with activities such as recruitment of staff, delegations of authority, assignment of responsibility, coordinations, control of activities at different work centers, etc. With these activities, the organizations provide a framework within which the company grows and diversifies. Thus, organizing facilitates growth and diversifications of an enterprises. Effective coordinations and communication is another importance of organizing. Yes, of course, organizing coordinates the activities which are diverse in nature and helps to build harmonious relationship among members involved to do those activities. It creates channel of communications among them. It makes communication easier, thus supports decisions making and control. Similarly, the last importance of organizing here we have is productivity and job satisfactions. A sound organizational structure is based on democratic and participative management. It helps to maintain logical flow of work activities. It helps individual and work group to easily accomplish the tasks which provide job satisfactions and lead to higher productivity of the organizations. Yeah, I just hope you all understand the importance of organizing. Now let's study about the process of organizing. So, the process of organizing. Organizing includes a series of activities which are drawn in a sequence. It is the process of assigning duties and coordinating the efforts of individual in order to achieve the organizational objective. Organizing involves totally 7 steps. They are determinations of objective. So what is this determinations of objective exactly? Well, organization's process always begins from the determinations of objective. First of all, it is very essential to determine the objective of the organizations as a whole. The major objectives should be broken down into department, division, and individual objective. The objective may be long-term as well as the short-term. Similarly, another process here we have is identifications of activity. After determining the objective, the next step in organizing process is to identify the total activities to be performed in order to achieve the objective. Activities may be related to productions, purchase, sales, human resources, research, development, and many more. Similarly, after identifying the activities should be grouped. Thus, another step here we have is grouping of activities. After identifying the total activities to be done, the next step in the organizing process is grouping of the activities. The activities with similar natures are brought together to create the department and divisions. The act of grouping of the activities is known as departmentations. Similarly, another step here we have is assignment of duties. The next step in the organization's process is to assign and allocate the duties to different individuals and groups. Duties are assigned to individuals according to their ability. While assigning duty, there should be a proper match between job requirement and capability of the subordinates. Assignment of a duties creates responsibilities and ensures certainties of the performance. Similarly, the another process here we have is that delegations of authority. Yes, of course, it is necessary to delegate the authority in order to complete the tasks. Assignment of duties should be followed by delegations of authority. No individual can perform the assigned duties effectively and in prescribed manner without authority. Therefore, the top level management should delegate enough authority to the lower level manager and employers and ensure parities of authorities and responsibilities. Similarly, another process here we have is that arrangement of physical facilities. In this step, essential physical facilities like materials, equipment, machines, tools, etc. are required and provided to each individual and department for the education of assigned duties. This process is called material organizations. Similarly, the last process here we have is that coordinations. Coordinations of activities of all individuals and departments is the last step in the organizing process. It is the process of integrating the activities of separate department and the subordinates to achieve organizational goal efficiently. Okay, it is essential for the smooth operations of the organizations. Yeah, I just hope you all understand the importance and the process of organizing. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.